In this lesson, I want to show you how to create a casting mold in the program. First, let's create a fairly simple blank. That's all. Like this. An arc. Like this. Let's add a fillet of about 10 millimeters. Okay. Let's create a dent here. Now let's take a 2 millimeter fillet, make one here, can't make it 2. Here and here. Okay. Then 5, since it can't be done here. Enter. Let's exit the sketch and create a revolved boss. For the axis of rotation, we'll select this line. Enter. We get a bean like this. Now I'm going to add some text here and of course make the casting mold. Let's select the top plane, create a sketch and draw a circle from the center like this. We'll turn it into construction geometry, just like that. Now let's select the text tool. We'll select our circle and write, let's say, doesn't matter what. I'll write, hello modelers. Let's uncheck the box and click on the font button. Now we can change the font and its size. I think 70 will be enough. Yes, yeah, that's way too big, 28. A little bigger, 36. There we go. 36. Let's add a bit more spacing and change the direction. Okay, let's exit the sketch. We'll make an extruded boss. Select the surface. Here, let's enter 1, for example. 1. It often goes inward. We need to change the direction. Right here. And now it will write on our surface with these kinds of letters. Okay. There we go. Now, for this, we'll make a casting mold from this model. Let's go to, we'll take it there. We'll choose the top plane. And here we'll just take this line. Okay. Here it shows us with colors what it will extrude. Excellent. Red is what it will not extrude. Green is exactly what it will extrude. Yellow means it will just make it vertical. Everything fits here, basically. Okay. Now, let's click. This is if we need to close some hole in the model. Okay. Now, let's click. This will be exactly where we have two halves, where there will be a split between the two halves of our mold. Okay. That's exactly where we selected this edge in. This is the place where the split will be. We just marked the spot, you could say, like drawing it with a pencil. And here we actually made the cut. Let's make this circle bigger. There. Now let's select the bottom face. We'll draw a circle there. This will be the radius of our casting mold. A bit larger than the part. Okay. Now let's do this. Like this. Okay. Let's hide our circle. And we can see there's a little cut here. Let's take it and lift our piece. Okay. And now, as we look closely, we can clearly see how our little cylinder has left a noticeable and distinct imprint or mark in that object over there, showing exactly where it made contact. That's pretty much it. This was Robert FTF with you. Bye bye everyone!